Hi, I'm Reinaldo, and this is Ray Purpose Made, where I merge art and furniture to create your one of a kind custom home essential. Please like and subscribe to get my latest videos. You ever just wish your bed was a little bit higher, but don't want to buy a whole new bed because you just want to fit a particular size of storage box for all your extra clothes for the off season under your bed, but a bed is way too expensive to be doing that. But then you look online and you see what kind of bed risers, if they even exist, and they do exist, but they're only that one cylinder type plastic one with the top that's cut off, and your bed doesn't even have the same type of legs that can fit for that bed riser. So now you're stuck again having to buy a new bed. No, I create bed risers for every type of bed. Usually they're custom, but it doesn't matter. Whatever type of bed you have, I can create bed risers for them. And for this project, I created a set of bed risers for a good friend of mine, Nellie, who lives in Florida, for her daughter's bed, Tatiana, her bed. Um, the project was to make the bed about 6 inches higher. Being as a child, I wanted to make sure that the bed risers were very secure. So rather than making some type of bed risers that I usually make, where it's more like a slip-on shoe shape, th- this was going to be like a socket design where the bed post, the bed leg, just fits right into the bed. But moreover than that, I saw this as a great opportunity to make a bed riser project an art project. Bed risers is pretty much the biggest thing I sell on Etsy. So I've made literal hundreds of them, but never really art because people think of let me raise my bed up for purely functional reasons and don't want that object to be um, something that you aesthetic feature. But I knew that Nelly and Tatiana likes my work, and this is a great opportunity to make something that was functional and also art. And so I went with the square design because it just made the most sense for how I was going to design the bed risers themselves. And I themed the project pink because like typically little girls like pink, but I did confirm that Tatiana's color was pink. So I did a couple of designs. I wanted the bed risers themselves were going to be white, but the actual design was the accent was pink. So all on one side of all the bed risers had like a little pink like splatter, and Tatiana can decide that that would be the face of all the bed risers, but then the other side of each bed riser had a different type of hard edge design. And the reason why the hard edge designs are all a little bit different because when you put all the bed risers together, it spells Tatiana. So one of the hard edge designs was pretty much a straight like a T. And then another hard edge design was like a star. So you kind of see an A come out of it. And then the next one was like a hashtag, like, a small T. And then the fourth one was just all straight lines for the hard edge to like for the I. So I thought that was a really cute, cool way to integrate the project even more into Tatiana's bedroom. So if she could have like the T in one corner, the A, the other T, the I is all the way in the back corner. But it was really a cool way to add more personalization to what would just be a functional project. But I just had to like zhuzh it up a lot. Um, that's pretty much it. I know Tatiana enjoys. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. So these are all the pieces for Tatiana's bed risers. There's 8 side pieces, these things here. There are 8 face pieces, these things here, and these are 4 of the ledge pieces. These are the actual pieces that the bed is actually going to sit on. So once I complete all 4 of the bed risers, I'm gonna go out and sand all like the little rough edges, try to smooth them out. Also, I need to add a screw right here on both sides of each pieces. So basically a screw that goes this way to be more protective. I'm trying to limit how many screws I put on the face. Even though the face is gonna be spray painted, painted, and splattered with paint, it's still gonna be noticeable if I had 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 screws. So I'd rather just put screws on the side. Now I'm ready to spray paint the first coat for Tatiana's risers, and it's going to be white, the finish. So being that's gonna be white, I use a flat white finish first, spray everything, let it dry, then I'm gonna have to flip it over, spray flat white to the side that's it's resting on now. Once that dries, then I do glossy white, so kind of like a primer, and then finish.
Go getters gon' feel the pressure, however, you gotta keep your head up. Told my doubters I ain't giving up ever. Thought they knew me, well they should've known better. Pops told me I done did more than most will. Waking up with a chill, wanting more still. More life, more money, more bill. Break more bread with the squad, more thrills. So many wins, can't recognize a loss. Keep my circle small, had to cut them snakes off. Used to want beef with the steak sauce. Now I only want peace like a monk. Gifted black and young, doing what I want. Price to live my best life, that's a high cost. Spending everything that I don't got. I cannot afford to take no time off. New lessons, new blessings every day. I believe I'm only here because of fate. Pray the Lord my soul to take seen darker days.
Yeah, I really, really like these. These came out pretty cool. Cooler than I expected, actually. They kind of look like popcorn boxes, especially this one right here. Like popcorn boxes at the movie theater. So now all the finish work is done, and I'm gonna move on to just sealing it up. I'm gonna use water-based polyurethane, the liquid, not the spray. I think it's a clear finish or a satin finish just to seal this up because this is going for a little kid. So I want to make sure that the white doesn't get like horribly dirty. And if it does, it can be wiped off without destroying the stuff on the underside. Tatiana's bed risers are all done and ready to go. And I thought I'd do a little bit extra on the packaging. Got her tea over there and a little bit of flourishes on the address panel also. Her mom said that she loves getting mail, so I made sure that it was addressed to her. And it's going out really soon.
A tea on it. There's a tea on it. How am I gonna open it?
Here, I'll get the rest out.
Oh, I got a whole pack of stickers. Second. Are these the things for my bed?
Mm-hmm.
I guessed it right.
Okay, open them
And
all
the
up.
fourth one.
All right, set them all out.
Thank you, Mr. Jose.
Set them all out. You gotta look at all of them.
Cool pattern.
What does it look like?
It looks like the Eiffel Tower.
Okay.
And this looks like a hashtag. Hashtag thank you. This looks like I don't know, but it looks cool.
Do you see anything?
Tati. Oh, it says my name. Good one. Thank you so much. Thank you.
What?
I have created hundreds of bed riser projects, and they usually aren't the projects that spark my creative joy like this project has. So if I were to do another project like this, not another bed riser project, because I always have other bed riser projects, but I'll do another project like this with Tatiana's um, cool, fun little kid type of bed risers, I would definitely add maybe one epoxy face or some kind of shimmer, like yeah, epoxy. I would definitely like do some like glitter epoxy pink on one of each of the faces to the bed risers to make it even more shiny, more showy. The fact that the bed risers are white allows the color on it to really pop anyway. So that would be a way that I would elevate a little kid fun bed riser project like this. If you like what you've seen, you can have your very own Ray Purpose made piece. You can find me on Instagram, Etsy, Facebook, and Gmail under Ray Purpose. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again, and please rate, share, subscribe on your way out. Bye.
No time off. New lessons, new blessings every day. I believe I'm only here because of fate. Pray the Lord my soul to take seen darker days. Made mistakes, but that's what made me great. Many things in this life of mine that I survived. Yeah. Many wrongs I wanna right, I hope I don't run out of time. Many things in this life of mine that I survived. Yeah. Many wrongs I wanna right, I hope I don't run out of time.